We decided better late than never for this. I wish we had some luscious forage for them to go on. This is literally not much. Very thin, but better than nothing, better than the slot. So let's get them out on it. Hee, sheep, 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 hee, sheep, hee, sheep. Come here, girls. Hee, sheep. Come here, girls. Hee, sheep. They're not going to want to come now. Come on, girls. Hee, sheep. Hee, sheep. Come on, girls. Hee, sheep. Hee, sheep. Hee, sheep. Hee, sheep. Come here. Oh. Aww. Makes me happy. Getting them off the lot and getting them on some grass, but we'll see. This won't last very long. The lot that we were going to have them lamb in is a little bit better than this, just because we've been irrigating it with our little K-line. I'll leave that video in the description box below. You guys can see what we're kind of doing. But Ryan said he thinks it's more of warm season grasses, and so it just hasn't come up yet. But we are having 50 ewes leave the farm here in a week and a half, going up to northeastern Kansas to graze. I'll talk more about that here in the coming weeks, but then we're just going to have about 35 lambs ewes with the lambs by their side. So that will be a nice relief for us with the drought situation that we have going on, just the amount of forage that we have. Yeah, we'll be happy to keep them, at least those 35 on the farm, and feel like we can control the grazing a little bit better with the drought. Huh? I know, it makes me happy too. Yeah. Okay guys, well, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.